Dear Sherry, do the skincare products in your DIY topicals course smell like weed? In other words, will I reek of weed after applying a salve or a body butter? Good question. Before I get to the answer, just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube notification bell and subscribe button because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. So, do the topicals in my DIY topicals course smell like weed? It depends. Some do, but most don't. And it depends on how much you use and what kind of topical, but most don't smell very much. But there are things you can do to mitigate the smell of weed. For instance, use more essential oils or other natural ingredients that have natural scents like cacao or green tea, which I have in some of my formulas. I don't usually notice the smell at all with salves or with body butters. Sometimes in the massage oil or in the sex lube, which is just infused coconut oil, you will notice a smell, but more often than not, it's not a problem. Hope this helps.